watching Morning Bites, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.
Good morning and welcome back to Morning Bites, your premier source for industry and news, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility. I am Anushka Wani, digital editor for EM and A&D magazine. I am here to navigate through the complexities of the industrial and business landscapes with today's key headlines. Joining us, as always, Dr. Anil Lamba, financial literacy activist and author of the best-selling book, Romancing the Balance Sheet.
If you know how to read balance sheets, it will come to your aid on numerous occasions. For example, in your business life, you bump into a potential customer. And the customer says, I can give you a very, very large order. But your normal policy is to give 30 days credit. I want 300 days credit. Should you say yes or no? Should you say no only because 300 days sounds unreasonably long, inordinately long, and in the process lose a very big order? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a company, you'll never recover your money. If you knew how to read a balance sheet, you would take a more sensible decision, a wiser decision. In your personal life, somebody comes to you, says, give me your life savings and I'll give you some ridiculous 80-90% interest per annum. Should you say no only because the interest sounds too good to be true and in the process lose a once-in-a-lifetime offer? But on the other hand, if you say yes to the wrong kind of a person, you'll never see your money again. Read the balance sheet. Who's making the offer? How many people used to come selling to us at one time? Timeshares. And so many people lost money. And along the way came Mahindra Holidays. The whole scenario changed. Read the balance sheet. Who's asking for it? You go to a bank to ask for a loan. The banker says, bring your balance sheet.
Thank you, Dr. Anil Lamba, for an insightful session on financial management. Let's dive into today's headlines. Our first headline comes from the fintech sector. Paytm Money, which is a key player in the financial service arena, has seen a significant leadership change.
Rakesh Singh has been appointed as the new CEO, taking over from Varun Sridhar, who has led the company since 2020. While Mr. Sridhar will transition to a new role within Paytm, details of his new position remain under wraps.
Leadership changes like these are often a forbear to strategic shifts that could influence the company's trajectory moving forward. Moving to the manufacturing area, recent data indicates that India's manufacturing sector is experiencing a significant upswing, recording its second fastest expansion in the past 3.5 years.
Despite a slight decline in the Purchasing Managers' Index from 59.1 in March to 58.8, in April, the numbers reflect strong ongoing growth, fueled by increased demand. Manufacturers have scaled up production in response to a surge in orders, a positive sign that underscores the sector's robust health and its critical role in the broader economy. According to an independent analysis, the aluminium sector in India will need an additional capital expenditure of nearly Rs 2.2 lakh crore to achieve net zero carbon emissions.
The report also highlights that while transitioning to renewable energy can reduce emissions by nearly half, a total shift is not feasible to the immediate future due to the intermittent nature of renewable sources. Moreover, achieving net zero in aluminium production could increase operational costs significantly, posing financial challenges and necessitating strategic planning for sustainable growth. These developments across different sectors not only highlight the dynamic nature of our industries, but also underscore the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. As we keep an eye on these evolving stories, we'll continue to bring you the details and analysis and expert commentary. That's all for today's episode of Morning Bites. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next time for more insights and updates. Have a productive day ahead.
You are watching Morning Bites, presented by Publish Industry India and brought to you by Star Engineers and Grun Mobility.